Open source image model has come out, but this is no regular image model. This is a breakthrough in technology. And to say that in the generation of AI means you've got to watch this video. This is not a regular image model. It's an image model that produces images that are layered, meaning you have each layer as a separate part of the image. For example, the text is separate from the objects on the image. So you can literally remove the images and maintain the text. You can edit the text literally within the editor. So this is like a production ready AI open source imaging model, which is absolutely insane. Let's go through everything here. Save this video so you never forget what it's called. It's called Ideogram 4.0. It's open source, but there's also an API available. Now let me show you each and every one of its functions. So first of all, there's an MCP, so it can obviously connect to Claude Code and OpenClaw and others, and they can literally use it to create a perfect image and even edit an image. Now, the amazing thing about this specific image creation open source is that you can literally edit parts of an image while maintaining everything exactly the same. You can also isolate one of the objects inside the image and remove the rest of it, which basically means you get to keep a background free file, meaning like little PNGs of each part of the image, and you can literally move them about. Guys, this is insanity. So let me first show you. See, this is the remove background. This is the prompt edit. It can do what regular imaging models can do, but this time you can layerize text, meaning you can turn typography into editable layers. You can restyle, reposition, and refine. You can grow the composition beyond, which is regular. We know about this stuff already, but the real stuff is the reframing. We can shift composition. We can upscale an image. We can remix an image. We can magic fill. So it does all the things regular AI imaging model can do, but the text is absolutely insane. It will not make errors on text, and that's what's important. The reason why it won't is because the text is a block of code by JSON. So the way this model works, it's actually a JSON imaging model. So even though you write a regular prompt to it, it will translate it with its own brain to a JSON request. So even though you write in regular English or any other language, it will translate that into JSON and produce parts of the image. So if you say like colorful background with a dog sitting on a bike, the colorful background is a separate prompt, like a JSON colorful background, and then a JSON for the dog and a JSON for the bicycle. Then you can actually move the dog or edit the dog, and it's only editing the dog JSON, which is how this model works. So this is from entry level to professional grade. This is no joke. This software is not a joke at all. So it's open source. Weights you can run, tune, and build on, meaning you get to actually control this model. See, you can repeat visual direction. Ideas need somewhere to go. So as you can see, these were created using the model, all of these different posters. It does photography style imagery, very, very high quality. Let's look at some logos that were created with it. Fantastic. Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. This one. Absolutely insane. Look at this one. Very, very high quality logos. Guys, this is local and open source. Look at the quality of the text. And remember, you can edit the text and add more letters to that. So you're not getting mistakes in the text anymore. Very important. Now let's look at marketing. This is kind of the ads, advertisements, things you can create with this open source model on your very software, on your very laptop. Check out this incredible marketing. Look at the quality. Check it out. And here we go. Here's an advert. I do want to say that in the chart, let me show you there's a chart on the internet going around which shows you how good this compares to OpenAI's model, the latest one. It's not as good, but it's not far. It's about as good as Nano Banana Pro, but the only difference is that this is open source and Nano Banana isn't. All right, let's look at print on demand. So, these are kind of like objects that you can sell on Etsy. You can literally use this to create PNGs directly from this, and then you can sell them on Etsy based on your ideas. Save this video, guys. This is a game changer. You are going to need this. Everyone's going to need this at some point, and they literally want you to build on this. You can view the repository on GitHub. And here it is. Everything is available here. Let's click on view repository. Here it is. You can literally pull it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. Follow for insane free AI tools, and just follow. You got to follow. Come on.